Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add arrows or arrow ends to connectors in your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So guys, let me start a new file or a new document, and let us begin with two shapes and connect these through a connector. Click into Insert, hover mouse over Shape and then Shapes, and here choose, for example, I don't know, a circle, draw it with your left mouse, and then do the same with shape number 2. Let me go with a triangle like that. Alright, let me switch to the select tool, and next you want to add a connector. Click into Insert again, this time navigate to Line and choose either an elbow connector or a curved connector. I will go with an elbow connector. Then hover your mouse over one of these dots here, and then left click and draw your connector and release it over the over the dock of the second shape. Now both elements of your diagram are connected. As you can see, if I move the shape here, the connector will be moved as well. But the connector doesn't feature any arrows. So how can you do that? How can you add an arrow to it? Left click into the connector, navigate to the line settings here, click into the drop-down menu. And what you want to do from here, excuse me guys, here, click into line start, for example, the left end of the connector or the right end, and then choose one of these arrows. Or you can go also with a rectangle or circle or any of these, either filled or not filled, like let me go with that arrow here and do the same for the other end of the connector. And as you can see, both ends feature an arrow. Now there's also a second option. You can also insert lines with these arrows. To do that, navigate to Insert here, navigate to Line, for example, and then you may add, for instance, an arrowed line and draw it, or use these dots again, and then, oops, let me just undo this, and connect these two shapes by, like that. So that's the second option. And then there's also option number 3. However, I personally don't use it, but it works as well. So you can go to Insert again, use Shape, Arrows, and then use one of these arrows and draw the arrow as a connector manually like this. However, guys, as you can see, that option doesn't feature these docking points here. So yeah, so that's it guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.